doing test runs.
Test.
Because
And we're trying to perfect it mpola mpola.
Mpola mpola. Okay. So you're doing tip taps. You wash your hands then.
okay, but it's a bit wonky, so I think somehow we need to.
Well done, well done, well
It
done.
doesn't need to be up there though, because look, it's actually stopping itself now because it's full. So it's full. We leave it there. We go like this,
Hey.
and it comes back up because it's heavy.
So-
So we don't even need to push it back up. We can just wash hands up. That's it.
Okay. So you can wash your hands and we see.
Okay.
It's definitely.
So that is the tip tap you've made.
Yeah.
Wonder.
Well, someone previously made it, but we
fixed it.
commandeered it.
Okay.
We are fixing them. Some are broken. Some need new strings. So.
Well done.
Anyways, this will give us proper hand washing stations.
Yeah.